Hi, this here's Joey at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this MC2F. This is the double motorcycle folding aluminum trailer from Aluma. Now this comes in a 1 motorcycle or 2 motorcycle. This will be the 2 motorcycle version here. Now you have, I think it's 78 inches between the fenders on this, so you can easily get 2 bikes onto it. It'll come with 2 wheel chocks for your motorcycles. Air dam up front here to protect it while you're going down the road. And then we got 2 grab handles, 1 on each side for when you're lifting it up. Now the tongue is a foldable tongue, so if you've got a low ceiling garage, you can fold the tongue up, give you that extra room you need. You've got a 3,500 pound torsion axle underneath it, aluminum wheels on it, LED lights all the way around. Now there's a pull out ramp here on the back. You've got an extra long ramp. It's the full width of the trailer here. It'll store underneath the back into this compartment here. And there's a door underneath there for closing it up when you're going down the road. There's 2 locks on each side, 2 pins for the back as well. The 2 locks are under here. I've already got those disconnected to save time on the video here. But you just fold this over and then you're ready to pick it up. Come on back, Kurt. I put 2 wheel chocks underneath the back. That'll help keep it from sliding out from under you when you're picking it up. It's about 600 pounds, but as you can see, 1 person can easily pick it up here and fold it over. And then if you needed to fold that tongue over, there's a pin right here on the tongue. You'll pull that pin out and you can fold that over. You'll do that before you lift it up, putting it up in your garage. Come see us today. This is an all aluminum frame. This is great for people with the Homeowners Association, can't put their trailer in the driveway, still need their garage space on the inside as well, so it stores up and out of the way for when you need it. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.